Hey natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna. Before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I say below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. First thing first, I'm gonna go right ahead and section off my hair. I'm going to be using some Ghana braid eco style gel, obsession hair wax, a comb, and some bobby pins. Natural lovers, I am gonna go right ahead and use some eco style gel, and as you can see, I'm using this method by dipping the brush into the eco style gel because yeah, I did my nails, yeah, and I don't want the gel to get underneath my nails. I am going to be using these two bundles of hair, right? So one will be in the back section and one will be in the top section. I am going to be taking out a small amount, a small section, and wrap it around my bun. So after wrapping it, I am going to be sectioning the rest of the Ghana braid into 5 sections. So just count with me. That's section number 1, section number 2, section number 3, and section number 4 and 5. So natural lovers, with this part, it's a bit hard to explain, so I'm just asking you all to just watch. I think you'll have a better understanding. At this point, I am going to be using some bobby pins to get that cute little bun together. All right, so I reached at the fun part where I'm gonna be doing my edges with this Obsession hair wash. The last thing I'm gonna be doing is tying down my hair and go do my makeup, and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Beautiful. Natural lovers, this is what I'm talking about. Natural plus beauty. Job well done. Natural lovers, if you have made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, blow up the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time, bye everyone.